Hello and welcome. Today's creative journey. In this video, we will dive into the wonderful world of handmade X-Max trees, exploring not just how they are made, but also the beauty behind their important structures, the elements that give them strength, charm, and meaning. When we think of a Christmas tree, our minds immediately picture a tall, green decorated pine glowing with ornaments and fairy lights. But a handmade Xmas tree is different. It carries not only the festive spirit but also your personal touch, your creativity, and your heart. Every branch, every bead, every ribbon tells a story. Every tree needs a strong base for handmade version. This could be a wooden stand, a recycled jar filled with stone, or even a crafted cardboard cone. The base is the anchor. It ensures stability so your tree can stand tall without wobbling. Without a strong base, even the most beautiful decorations can't shine. Just like in life, the foundation matters. Next comes the frame, often made of sticks, wires, or rolled up paper tubes. This is what gives the tree its shape. Think of it as the skeleton that supports everything else. Whether you choose a cone shape, a spiral, or a layered design, the frame is the hidden hero. People might not see it directly, but without it, the tree cannot exist. Now comes the greenery, the heart of the Xmas tree. Look in handmade trees. Greenery can be created using felt, crepe, paper, fabric, strips, jute, or even recycled plastic bottles. Cut into leafy patterns. Some crafters use yarn pom-poms, some use beads, and some wrap the frame with tinsels. The greenery is with makes your tree come alive, giving it that festive charm. Perhaps the most joyful part is building a handmade Xmas tree is decorating it. Ornament can be made of paper, clay, recycled caps, fabric flowers, tiny bells, or even handmade stars. Each ornament adds character, making your tree unique decoration or not just for beauty. They symbolize joy, hope, and the spirit of giving. A handmade star on top, a paper angel, or even a small family photo framed as an ornament adds deep meaning. Lights transform a tree. Fairy lights, handmade lanterns, or even small candles safely placed off course create a magical glow. They present warmth, guidance, and the light of hope during Xmas. In a handmade version, you could weave strings light around the frame, tuck them into the greenery, or even use DIY paper lamps. The topper is the crown of the tree, traditionally a star or an angel, but in handmade trees, this could be anything close to your heart. A paper star cut with love, a jute bow, or even a gemstone ornament. The topper stands as the finishing touch, symbolizing faith, direction, and celebration. Often overlooked, the bottom of the tree, the skirt, is also part of the structure. Handmade skirts could be crochet mats, recycled fabric circles, or paper cutouts. They hide the strands, add elegance, and complete the look. Some even use miniature gift boxes that decorate the base. Another important structure is not physical but visual. Balance matter. When you distribute ornaments evenly, when you alternate colors and shapes, your handmade tree feels harmonious. Balance is what makes the tree pleasing to the eyes, and the gentle reminder that harmony is small details creates beauty as a whole. Every handmade Xmas tree carries a personal structure. Your imagination may be you. Maybe you recycle bottles to create ornaments, or maybe you craft with children so their fingerprint are part of the art. This invisible structure, your story, is what makes the tree principal. Lastly, we cannot forget the symbolic structure. The tree is not just decoration, it's a symbol of togetherness. renewal and hope. So there's the tree is not just a decoration; it's a symbol of togetherness, renewal, and renewal and hope. A handmade vision makes it even stronger because you have built it with your own handmade institute with love and creativity. As we wrap, up, remember, a handmade X-Mix tree is more than a craft, it's a sculpture of joy, its base speaks of strength. Its frame of support, its greenery of life, its ornament of happiness, its lights of hope, its lights of hope, and its topper of faith. Every little partners matters, and when combined, they create a masterpiece that celebrates not only X-Max all but also your creativity. So this season, take time to create your own handmade tree, experiment with recycled material and handmade ornaments, and make it uniquely yours because in the end, it's not just a festival tree, it's a reflection of you, your family, and the spirit of love that shines the brightest during the holiday. Thank you for joining me on this festive journey. If you enjoyed exploring the beauty and structures of handmade Xmas trees, don't forget to share your own creations and spread the joy. Wishing you a warm, bright, and handmade festival. For more designs and more ideas, follow for the more. And with that, dear friends, we have reached the